Hello, welcome to HTML tutorials brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. Myself Nirmala. In this session, we are going to learn the HTML CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen or a paper or on the other media. CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language. We can add CSS to HTML elements in three ways, that is inline, internal and external. By using the CSS, we can save a lot of time. Coming to inline styles, an inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. This is the syntax of the inline style, that is tag name style equals to within a double quotes property and a value. To add a inline styles, add the style attribute to the relevant element and give the CSS properties. We'll see a practical demo how to display the inline styles. Go to Visual Studio Code, save the file. I'm going to save with the CSS demo.html and type all the basic tags. Within a like title, I'm going to give the title of my web page, that is CSS demo. Within a body tag, take an element, that is p element. Write the content of the paragraph tag, paragraph 1. I'm going to take one more paragraph. This is my paragraph 2. By default, the browser will display the paragraph with a browser default styles. But I want my customized styles, that is for a particular tag, that is for this paragraph tag. I'm going to write the styles, inline styles, style. Within a double quotes, write the CSS property, that is color equals to right, colon right. Save the file. Go to file location, open the file with a browser. The browser opens. Here you can observe the paragraph 1 with a inline styles. And next we have internal style sheet. Internal style sheet are embedded in a head section of the HTML document and are defined inside the style tag. Within a head section, we have one more tag called style tag. Within that style tag, we are going to write the properties, CSS properties of the element, HTML element. Here is a tag name. For the particular tag, we are writing the CSS properties. We'll see a simple demo. Like, I don't want to write the inline styles. I want styles for both the paragraph tag. For that, I am going to write within a head tag. I have a tag called style tag. Within a style tag, type a p, curly braces, color, colon, right. And font family cursive. Save the file. Go to browser, refresh the browser. Here you can observe the paragraphs with the internal styles. That is, we can apply the styles for my entire web page using the internal styles. And next we have a external style sheets. External style sheet is an idle when the styles is applied to many pages. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing one file. This is the syntax, like link rel style sheet type equals to text bar css href. Here you should give the reference of the URL of your CSS file. Assume that this is your HTML file with the tags and this is your CSS file with the styles. To apply these styles to your HTML file, give the URL of the CSS.css file. We'll see practically how to do this. This is my HTML file, simple HTML file. For these two paragraphs I want to apply the external styles. Take one more file. Like here I am going to save the file with a .css, external .css. In the CSS file I am going to write the styles for a paragraph, that is paragraph color colon, right, and the font family cursive. Save the file, come back to HTML file. Within a head tag we have a syntax called link. Here you should give the URL of your CSS file. Go to file location, select your CSS file, copy the path, come back to HTML, paste the path of your CSS file, save the file, go to browser, refresh the browser, or you can also go to file location, open the CSS demo HTML file. The browser opens. Here you can observe the external style sheets are applied to the HTML files, HTML elements. Similarly, we have one more attribute called a class attribute. We can add a internal styles or styles to an HTML element using a class attribute. That is, the class attributes makes it possible to define equal styles for elements with the same class name. Here is the syntax. Within a style tag, to define a class, any name with a preceding with a dot, and within a curly braces property and a value. We'll see how to use the class attribute in our HTML element. Within a head section we have a tag called style tag. Within a style tag I am going to define the class, that is .demo. Demo is a user defined name preceding with a dot, that is this refers to dot class, and here I am going to write the properties, that is color equals to green, and come back to the paragraph. To apply this color style to my paragraph tag, type a class within a double quotes, give the class name, that is demo. Save the file, go to browser. Here you can observe the paragraph with a green color, that is the class attribute is applied to the paragraph 1. The HTML class attributes make it possible to define equal styles for elements with the same class name. You can also apply this class to as many elements, like if you have a h1 tag, you can apply to the h1 tag also. This is how we define a class, that is .demo is our class, and here we have written some CSS properties. For the paragraph I am applying the class, that is class demo. So these colors, these CSS styles are applied to this class. P elements are styled with a class attribute. Finally, thank you for listening, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also like our Facebook pages by visiting these URLs. We are also on Twitter. For more references, please refer our websites. We are also on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.